This is whenever you'll install, you will this license key, unique license key it will give you. You can store it somewhere, or you can just copy it and keep it so that in future, if you have to buy it, you will need this license key for it.
Gaurav, can you minimize the screen, that pop-up screen? Right hand side, right hand side.
And this one, okay,
Yeah,
yeah, okay,
yeah.
works now. Sure.
Gaurav, today you can just uh, knowledge, you can transfer the KT only for the installation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah,
no.
because
Yeah,
we don't
daily.
have time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
We have meeting at 5:30. So yeah, yeah. I'll basic I'll do right now, like installing
Yeah,
and everything.
yeah,
Rest we can do tomorrow.
yes.
Manoj, I'll prepare. I am preparing a document as well. Any specifics that need to be there in that? Uh, no worries. This will everything will be same. I'll later tell you if you want to change the password, how to do that. Okay. So this is your login. Okay, you log into it, and when you first log in, what it does is it self discovers or why you can like skip everything, or it takes some time to do this. Okay, so it will you can enable SSL if you want to. It is not necessary, but you can enable SSL. The local probe is your system. Like this laptop of mine will be shown in local probe. Okay. And under network, other servers will come like if you want to connect something or something else, something like that. Okay. Like printers and Mac, this Linux and Mac UX machines, everything will come there. Okay. Even if you are like, if I am not right now connected to the VPN. If I was connected to the VPN, it would show when it goes into self-discovery mode, right? It will show every other thing connected to the VPN. Okay. So these are your basic sensors or whatever you want to monitor, like disk or system health. What system health shows is memory and CPU load. Okay. So I'll show you how to like if you want to, you can go from here. If you want to add a device, this is go to the plus, add device. Okay, you can like search from where you want to or whatever you want to. I don't have any devices on my network as of yet, so otherwise I would have shown you how to do that. This is how you do. Okay. Okay, so this device, and if you want tutorials are also there. You can like device to a group, or you want to give icon or IP address you'll need IPv4 and DSNet slash DNS DNS name IP address. Okay, you put in it, you name your device whatever name you want to give it to, and then just okay and click, and it will like you can enable Windows systems. You have to credentials. You have to make sure that these are enabled. Okay. By default, these will be enabled, but still once make sure these are available. And this go to default auto discovery. Okay. So what it will do is it will take all the SSH credentials, the Windows credentials and everything. It will auto discover on your own. Otherwise, you have to go into the console and enable them. That is a long thing. And just do this. Okay. It'll make that easy for you. As your MQTT and everything, that app. Okay. Just click on OK and then whatever you want to connect will be connected to it. Okay. This will show in this. Or you can create a remote probe as well. Remote is Windows 7. You install it and then install. Okay. PRTG. You need PRTG on other devices as well. Like both the devices. Then you can. Okay. These are your groups. You can add new groups or whatever you want to. This is it. I'll show you if you want to add a sensor. Like I'll show you. See this. You go to add sensor. You're able to follow, right? Or should I go back once? Yeah. Okay. You go this add sensor. This you can use any. There you can search name for like let's see memory. Okay. So these are your memory sensors. You can use SNMP or WMI. WMI is Windows Management and SNMP is System. Forgot the full form. Okay. Depends on what you have been enabled. If you have SNMP enabled, SNMP will work. Otherwise, WMI will work 99% of times. Yeah. So I'll show you how to. Just you go there. You add this. Click on add sensor. You can name memory underscore test. Okay. You go there. You use default only. Query method. No need to use any alternative. Okay. And click on create. Okay. So this comes here. Memory underneath test will be up in a while. It takes some time to get up. Okay. It will the next time you go and log in, this happens. Okay. From this is the when you log in first. This is the page that they'll log into. Okay. See this you can see the status of it here like 30 trials are left and I have 1000 10,000 sensors. Okay, so out of this are available and everything. This is every you can scroll down and watch. This is the blog. They update stuff here. What's coming out with the new update or any bug fixes are there or something like that. Tutorials and everything. Okay. You can also open tickets if something happens. Okay. These are help and support and everything. Okay. So now when you log into it, you go to devices. Okay. See this memory came up, right? Okay. You like you memory, you just go there. Okay. So this is all you can data and settings. And if you go into settings, you can store or debug everything you can see. Primary channel is available memory or available DOM memory GB percentage if you want to see, or you can change what it's if I do. Okay, say now what it will do is it will show me 7.91 GB is available. First it was like in percentage it was showing. Yeah, so this all that happens as of right now. Okay, now I'll show you how to logging and everything we'll go into tomorrow, but it's a bit longer of a subject. So I don't think we'll be able to cover. Okay. So I'll show you that how to the basic control panel. Okay. You go there and this you go into uh, PRTG. Okay. PRTG this administrator tool. Okay. You enable this. Here you can check everything like unsecure. You want to change the HTTP server, so port you want to change. You want to specify IP addresses, web host, everything. Okay. can configure it. This is the core server. It also can uh, s- change stuff. You can start and stop services from here. Like if you want to schedule PRTG, like it should be stopped at one point or starting at a point. You can schedule everything from here. This is the administrator. This is where you can see the password. You cannot manually set it, but you can generate your new passwords if you want to change it. Okay, so you generate and everything. This is the application servers. You want to install the service or you want to do anything else, you can do it. Okay, this is how everything goes. Strategy basically. When you want to sometimes it happens is in 2 or 3 there is this issue. If you log in after a weekend, PRTG won't start. So just basically I'll show you tomorrow. What happens is you just open this and just save and close. What it will do it'll automatically restart the service. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, yeah. Save and close. It will automatically restart it. See, I got logged out, right? This app. So once it's done, uh, everything will work on its own. And see, log in. Just log in from here, and then everything happens again. That is it. If you want an overview, you see, local probe. It is here disconnected. It will come online in a while. Okay. These are all the sensors. You can just overview it if you want to, like disconnected and what's yellow, what's red, everything. These are the logs. Logs I'll explain tomorrow. Tickets and setup as well. Setup is everything you want to see. You want to change stuff, user accounts, manage, introduce new users. Like if you want to give access to some other person, but don't want to have they don't want to have them each and every privilege as in. So you can do that. You can manage everything. User accounts, user groups, administrative tools, clear caches, everything you can do. Single sign-on is also there. SSL, SSO, sorry. Yeah, single sign-on is also there if you want to. This is maintainer mode. If you want to maintain some things, or that is basically monitoring. You can monitor. You can change here if you want to add intervals. Like if you want to have a custom interval, like every 2 days or 3 days or something like that, you want to add it. Like how many times the sensor should reset, or after how much time the sensor should log data or something like that. Can Yeah, yeah. सेंसर हाँ 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 सी सेंसर जो ये देखो, ये सिस्टम हेल्थ है ना, जैसे सिस्टम हेल्थ शो कर रहा है, तो इसको एक सेंसर कहेंगे. तो बस ये है कि हर चीज, जैसे मैं रैम मॉनिटर कर रहा हूँ, तो जो चीज मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ रैम मॉनिटर करने के लिए, वो सेंसर हो गया. बस वो है. ठीक है. So that's it, the basic overview for right now. Rest we'll get deeper into tomorrow then. It will take time. And also, if I want to show you some logs, I need it to be logging something. I just installed it, so there would be no data. So if I want to show you logs, so it will take some time. It's give it 24
Hey,
hours. We'll
Gaurav,
connect. Yeah,
yeah, you can do some logs so that
yeah,
we can
logs,
understand it.
logs.
Yeah, any
Yeah.
sample logs you
Tomorrow,
have.
sample logs. Yes, I have. I do have some logs. I have 203 logs. I can show it to you. It's log. I can explain. See, it will take time. Some to. It's like right at
Only
it.
important thing what here you want to know. You take any one of the server.
This is 203 logs. Okay, CPU logs.
03. Okay.
Yeah,
So
CPU
each
logs for
logs represents per day, right?
no, no, that you can decide if you want logs for 24 hours or see. I'll show it to you. For example, if I want to go into historic data, I can select for how many days I want
Oh,
to
this
log.
is
Like,
okay. You just explain me in there is some each columns now. Each column, what it
yeah, yeah,
represents. Yeah. Only
yeah,
that
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
explain it. Rest we can see tomorrow.
See this. Each processor shows one core of the CPU. Okay, like processors. One is there. Processor one is the first core. Then processor two is the second core. So on and so forth. Okay, like till I guess processor 16 core CPU is I guess 203 has a 16 core CPU. So till then it will show at this time range. See, let's see, it's 5:30. Okay, 5:30 till yeah, 203. Yeah, 203, 203. Like processor one is the first core of the CPU. Okay, how much load the core had at that point of time. Okay. Processor 2 is a second core. We have cores, right? So like each processors get divided upon cores, processors. So this is what it does. Okay. So this is the average. This is it's for 1 hour, right? So average of 1 hour and average of 1 hour and average of 1 hour, and then it all boils down to this 24. If you can see 24 values. So 24 values or how many values you have over a period of time, that will show you the average. Like processor one was 7% and sorry, core one was 7% and core two was 51%. Depends on how each individual application is using each core. Depends, right? Which core it goes to or which like if you have 12th generation above CPUs, if it's using the efficiency cores or performance cores, depends, right? Or which depends on the architecture basically and the managing of the CPU. So it will show you that this is processor course. It will show you. Yeah. Right now, see, there is a way you can just download it. You have to download it manually, but it comes in this form. You don't have to like arrange it or anything like nothing. You can just download the files. Yeah, it is a CSV file. You can just download it. Yeah, that is how. Yeah, this one is for 1 day. And this one is for 1 day. Uh, each row shows for 1 hour, but it is the data for 1 day. See 4544. Okay. 44. Fifth, it was for 5th of April. For like 4th of April till 5th of April. Yeah. Yeah. This is for CPU. I can explain it for memory as well. Uh, memory. Like let's say this is memory. Okay. This is for memory. Memory is less. So it shows available memory, not used for any point of time. The available memory that was there, available RAM. Like 84% was available, so rest was being used, or like 16% was being used. It can you can same way. This also shows downtime. Here, if the sensor is not working for some reason, or the machine is switched off, like today morning happened. all the servers were down or switched off. Electricity wasn't there. So it will if we take logs for today, it will show some downtime in there. Yeah. So you can determine if the machine was off at that point or somehow the service wasn't running or something like that. There won't be any data. Uh, yeah, yeah. Daily. For 203, I used to do daily. For other servers, I used to do once in a week. It's not a very time-consuming thing. You can take like 5 minutes only. It will download. Not like it won't take much. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This see you can select here, na. If you want average interval, how much you want, 1 hour per hour, or you want like every 15 minutes. I can also do 15 seconds. Also do I can do. Yeah, we can interval we can check or whatever you want, and so that it'll do. Like right now, I'll show you if what happens if I download it. See, nothing is there because there is no data, so nothing's there. It's 0, 0. Everything is zero. It has been now for 7 minutes and 29 seconds. So there is no data. It's just yeah. Any questions regarding this or hmm, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, add no, no, no. If you want to add a device, you go here, the plus thing. Okay. If you want to add a sensor, a huge yeah, we can add anything. Yeah, yeah. So if you want to add, you go to add device. Yes, yes, yes. IP and DNS. IP and DNS, or you can do one thing, remote probe. Remote probe also you can. You can use any. If it is a Windows system, you can use this. If it's a Linux system, you have to go then device. You can't do anything else. You have to first configure it, configuration, and then you can go there. That is, yeah. See, Windows, it is there, right? Add device, add client servers. If you want to add, you can directly go here as well. You can like name and then IP. Then you can select tags or anonymous if you want to SSL sensor or whatever. That is deeper thing, but yeah, this you can do. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. VM is also there. Hyper-V, Linux, Mac OS. You want to add printers as well. Printers also you can add. Any other devices you want to add there, that is also there. Like if there is some network added storage, NAS is there. Okay, you can also add a NAS or something like that. Anything on the network, if it is Linux based or Windows based or Mac OS based, it can be monitored. Yeah. So anything else, or we'll just end this call and tomorrow I'll explain the rest of the stuff. Okay.
Same, are you understood that? How to installation process?
Yeah, yeah, tutorials are there. You can try, or if you want to, you can just install PRTG once on your personal machine. If you have any doubts, I'll guide you through it. No worries.
Prem,
Yeah,
I,
do
I
that.
recorded this no, Prem, I recorded this session. You can see that anytime.
Yeah, you can
When
go
you are
through it.
free,
Rest.
yeah.
Yeah, I am there till 5th, so it would be better if you try it on your own once, no? Install it on your own machine, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. I'll help you out. No worries. Yeah, yeah. Install it on your machine and go through it. Like the more you try and test, the more you'll explain. Yeah.
Okay. Then, Prem, you
Free,
have
free,
one
free.
laptop, right? You can do one thing. You just install and keep the software. So again, tomorrow in the session, you can just add any server and go through. Yeah. Then only you can practically get the experience. Okay, Gaurav. Tomorrow we can see.
Yeah, okay, sure. I'll schedule one more meeting for tomorrow, same
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Then we can do this. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.